The science behind the photic sneeze reflex. Ever sneezed upon stepping into sunlight? You're not alone. This intriguing reaction is called the photic sneeze reflex, a peculiar quirk affecting many. But why does this happen? Our eyes and nose are more connected than you think. A bright light can misfire signals in the nervous system, leading to an unintended sneeze. Fascinatingly, this reflex is genetic. If you experience it, you might find family members do too. Curious about more quirky science mysteries? Hit subscribe and join our community for weekly explorations into the wonders of everyday phenomena. Don't forget to share your own sneeze stories in the comments below.